Hey everyone, welcome back. If you live in a small apartment or just need to maximize every inch of your home, you are in the right place. Today, we've got genius space-saving furniture, amazing small space storage, and clever home organization hacks you need to see. Get ready to transform your home with these must-have products. Don't forget, the links to all products are in the description below, so you can check them out easily. Let's get started. Slim Storage Cabinet. This is the Slim Storage Cabinet. This narrow organizer is the hero of tight spaces, perfect for slotting into the gaps next to your toilet, fridge, or laundry machine. Its best feature is the narrow, tall design with adjustable shelves and smooth rolling wheels, allowing it to glide easily into and out of small areas. It features 3 tiers of hidden storage. The benefit is instant organization for items like toiletries, spices, or cleaning supplies. It utilizes wasted vertical space, making your small bathroom or kitchen feel much tidier. Folding Dining Set. This is the folding dining set. This furniture piece is a brilliant solution for anyone short on dining space. It functions as a compact console or side cabinet, but the top folds out completely to become a full-size dining table. It also includes storage shelves and comes with matching leather chairs that tuck neatly underneath. The benefit is incredible flexibility. You get a functional daily unit and an instant 4-person dining table for guests, proving you don't need a huge home for dinner parties. 3-drawer end table. This is the 3-drawer end table. This modern side table is a simple way to add essential storage and style next to your sofa or bed. It features 3 deep drawers for storing remotes, books, or personal items, helping to keep your living area clutter-free. The sleek finished design looks modern and upscale. The benefit is its dual purpose. It acts as a functional surface for a lamp or coffee cup while providing ample, discreet storage right where you need it most, enhancing both the look and organization of your room. Pull-out Valet Rod. This is the Pull-out Valet Rod. This clever closet accessory is a simple trick for instant extra hanging space. The rod slides out smoothly from your closet ceiling or wall, providing a temporary spot to hang items. It's perfect for setting out the next day's outfit or airing dry cleaning before putting it away. The key feature is the slide-out mechanism with multiple hooks that completely disappears when not in use. The benefit is added convenience and organization, making daily dressing and laundry tasks much easier. Divided Laundry Hamper. This is the Divided Laundry Hamper. Stop letting your laundry overflow onto the floor with this stylish and practical solution. This hamper is hand-woven from synthetic rattan and features 2 separate compartments inside for easy pre-sorting of whites and colors. It also includes removable liner bags, a lid, and wheels for easy transport. The benefit is simplifying laundry day. You can effortlessly move your clothes to the machine, and the divided sections save you time sorting. Convertible Sleeper Chair. This is the Convertible Sleeper Chair. This 3-in-1 piece of space-saving furniture is a must-have for studio apartments or multi-purpose rooms. It easily converts between a stylish chair, a relaxing chaise lounge, and a comfortable single bed. The adjustable positions allow you to find the perfect angle for reading or sleeping. The benefit is maximum functionality in minimal space. You get seating for your living room and an extra bed for guests without needing to buy 2 separate pieces of furniture. Flat Ultra-Thin Socket. This is the Flat Ultra-Thin Socket. Tired of ugly, bulky cords ruining your decor? This patented solution hides your outlet completely. It's an ultra-thin cover with a short, flat extension cord and multi-outlets that seamlessly blend into the wall, allowing furniture to sit flush against the surface. It covers the entire outlet for a neat look. The benefit is an instantly cleaner, safer aesthetic. It eliminates unsightly cords and maximizes floor space by letting furniture be placed closer to the wall. Over-Door Organizer. This is the Over-Door Organizer. This extra-large 5-tier organizer is the perfect way to transform the back of any door into useful storage space. It features 10 large compartments made of durable material, providing huge capacity for anything from shoes and toys to pantry items or cleaning supplies. The simple over-the-door hooks require no installation. The benefit is maximizing vertical space and keeping clutter hidden. It's an instant organization hack for bedrooms, pantries, or utility closets. Rolling Collapsible Cart. This is the Rolling Collapsible Cart. This ultra-slim utility cart is your lightweight assistant for moving anything from groceries to gardening tools. It features a telescopic handle and smooth rolling wheels for easy maneuverability. The best feature is its ability to fold flat in seconds for super compact storage in a closet or car trunk. The benefit is portable, heavy-duty hauling power without the bulk, making your shopping trips or organizing projects much easier on your back. Portable LED Lamp. This is the portable LED lamp. This sleek, cordless lamp is a versatile lighting solution for any room. It features a rechargeable battery and a touch sensor that offers 3 levels of brightness, making it perfect as a nightlight, reading lamp, or emergency light. It's lightweight and easy to move anywhere. The benefit is flexible, safe, and wire-free illumination. You can create the perfect cozy ambiance or task lighting without worrying about finding an outlet. Wall-mounted chair. This is the wall-mounted chair. This ingenious hidden stool is the ultimate space saver for entryways, bathrooms, or balconies. The solid chair folds up completely flat against the wall when not in use, making it virtually invisible. When needed, it simply folds down for a sturdy seat or step stool. The benefit is providing convenient seating without sacrificing floor space. It's perfect for putting on shoes in a narrow hallway or taking a break in a small shower. 4-in-1 sofa bed. This is the 4-in-1 sofa bed. This convertible pull-out couch is the ideal solution for small living rooms that need to double as guest rooms. It easily transforms from a stylish love seat into a bed, lounge, or chaise, offering 4 different functions. Upholstered in soft velvet and including throw pillows, it looks great. The benefit is maximizing the utility of a single piece of furniture. You can comfortably host overnight guests without needing a dedicated guest room. Mobile standing desk. This is the mobile standing desk. This adjustable desk is perfect for setting up a temporary workspace anywhere in your home, especially if you use a walking pad or treadmill. It features adjustable height and smooth rolling wheels with locks for portability and stability. Its small footprint saves space. The benefit is flexibility in your workspace. You can easily switch between sitting and standing, or move your office from the living room to the bedroom effortlessly. Queen Platform Bed. This is the Queen Platform Bed. This stylish bed frame is a foundational piece of space-saving furniture for any bedroom. It features a fabric-upholstered frame with 3 built-in storage drawers underneath, utilizing often wasted space. The wooden slats eliminate the need for a bulky box spring. The benefit is substantial, discreet storage right in your bedroom. You can neatly tuck away linens, clothes, or off-season items, keeping your room tidy and maximizing floor space. 7-drawer dresser. This is the 7-drawer dresser. This large storage organizer offers tons of flexible space in a modern, lightweight design. It features a mix of different-sized fabric drawers and open shelves, ideal for organizing clothes, books, or electronics. The lightweight frame makes it easy to move, unlike traditional heavy wooden dressers. The benefit is versatile, high-capacity storage. It provides a neat way to declutter any room while adding a contemporary look. Gold clothing rack. This is the gold clothing rack. This freestanding coat rack brings a touch of modern style and organization to your entryway or bedroom. It features a tall, slender design with multiple hooks and is anchored by a sturdy marble base for stability. The beautiful gold finish adds a luxury aesthetic. The benefit is instant, stylish hanging storage for coats, bags, and hats. It prevents outerwear clutter and serves as a chic, decorative element in your home. Underbed storage. This is the underbed storage. This set of plastic containers is an excellent way to use the often forgotten space beneath your bed. They feature a stackable design and smooth rolling wheels for easy access. The clear plastic allows you to see the contents instantly. The benefit is transforming unused space into practical storage. You can neatly store extra bedding, seasonal clothes, or shoes, keeping your bedroom floors clear and maximizing space. Corner shelf organizer. This is the corner shelf organizer. This 3-tier shelf is perfect for organizing cluttered countertops in the kitchen or bathroom. It features a movable, tiered design that fits perfectly into corner spaces, utilizing vertical area. It's great for spices, toiletries, or cosmetics. The benefit is freeing up valuable counter space and making small items easy to find. It turns an awkward corner into a functional, organized display area. Rotating shoe rack. This is the rotating shoe rack. This 7-tier shoe organizer is a dream for neat freaks and shoe lovers alike. The tower features a 360-degree spinning design that allows you to access any pair instantly. It holds a large capacity of shoes while taking up a minimal floor area. The benefit is space-saving, high-capacity storage. It keeps your shoe collection tidy and organized without crowding your entryway or closet floor. Modern coffee table. This is the modern coffee table. This unique center table is perfect for adapting to both large and small living spaces. It features 2 foldable panel tops that can be extended when you need more surface area for guests or snacks. It also has a 2-tier design with hidden storage underneath. The benefit is flexible functionality and hidden storage. You can easily adjust the size to fit your needs, maximizing space when not entertaining. Collapsible utility cart. This is the collapsible utility cart. Made in Germany, this multi-use trolley is designed for heavy-duty hauling and compact storage. It features a robust, functional design that collapses fully flat in just seconds. It has 2 levels for carrying various items, making it perfect for shopping or moving boxes. The benefit is commercial-grade portability without the permanence. You get a reliable way to move heavy loads that stores easily when finished.